girl Tiff, and today we are doing a New Year's makeup tutorial. It consists of a sparkly smoky eye with a nude lip, you know, nice and contoured and everything, so you can be popping at that New Year's party or in your living room by yourself because of COVID. I'm probably gonna be in my living room or sleeping because there's nothing to do. My husband is gonna be working, so it's gonna be pretty lame. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, if you want to recreate this look, just continue watching this video. Alright, so starting off, I'm going to be using a black eyeliner pencil. What we're going to do is we're going to put it all over our eyelid. This eyeliner comes with smudge tip, but you can also use a brush, something similar like this, and it's nice and stiff. So for the eyeshadow colors, I'm going to be using the Hit the Lights palette from Morphe. So in the Morphe palette, I'm going to be using this black color. It's called Till Dawn. And we're just going to put it all over our lid on top of the black liner that we just put on. We're going to be using this brown color called Makeout Sesh, and we're going to put it all over our crease. So now we're going to be using this color brown. It's called Hook Up in the palette. We're going to use it to blend out this brown color that we just used on our crease. Finally, to blend everything out, we're going to be using this tan color called My Type to blend out all the brown colors that we just put on our eyes. So to add some shimmer, I'm going to be using this eyeliner. I don't know the name of it, but it's just a glittery eyeliner. So now I'm just going to be adding some of the colors that we have on our lid under our eyes. We're going to go back with Hook Up and then the matte black. And now we're going to go into contouring our face. I'm going to be going with this foundation stick from Sephora. It's called Walnut, and I'm going to be using this for my contour. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This one is in the color Stromboli. Right? Yeah, Stromboli. And we're just going to start applying that all over our contour and blending it out at the same time. So now I'm going to be putting on the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is in the color Macadamian, and we're just going to start concealing. So now I'm going to be going in with a translucent powder just to set under our eyes. I'm using a translucent powder from Laura Mercier. We're just going to apply that on real quick. Now I'm going to start bronzing. I'm going to be using Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glow Kit. For blush, I'm going to be using the Vintage Lace Blush Kit. It's actually super pigmented. I don't have to use a lot. So now we're just going to set our face with translucent powder. So now we're going to set our face with Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray that all over. I'm going to go in with Ulta Beauty eyeshadow liner. It's just a beige tan color, and I'm just going to put that on my bottom waterline. We're going to put some mascara on before we put our lashes, a little bit so it can blend in together. So for lashes, I'm using the Slamber Tray lashes. Once again, if you want 15% off these lashes from Slamber Tray, you can use my discount code TIPSLAY15 to get 15% off. So the ones that I'm using, they're flirt lashes. They're not too exaggerating just because we have a smoky eye and I don't really want to put too much on. Sorry. Alright, so now that we wait for our last lash to get tacky and put it on, I'm just going to be applying a brown lip pencil as my lip liner, and then I'm going to be going in with this ColourPop Lipsy Stick as my lipstick. This one's in the color Parker. Okay, now let's put on this lash. Alright guys, so this is it for the New Year's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy this smoky eye for New Year's, and let them know that you're that at the party. Even if you guys aren't doing anything big for New Year's, it's still nice to get ready and do your makeup and take pictures. Let's go into this new year with a positive note and a nice makeup blend and a nice beat face, you know? Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffany Cheré or Tiffany Sotak. I hope everyone's been having fun on this holiday break with family and friends. Please be safe on New Year's, even if you aren't going out because of Corona. Still be safe and have fun with family. And lastly, Happy New Year's, guys.